You want to know how someone really becomes rich? All right, listen close. Because this isn't about money. It's about moments that break you and the ones that rebuild you. There was this guy, Arav. No rich father, no support, just a dream and a dying phone repair shop. Every night he'd look in the mirror and whisper, "One day, bro, I'll change everything." People laughed. His relatives called him a fool. And for a while he started to believe them. But one cold night, sitting in his broken room, he asked himself, "What if this time I just don't quit?" That question changed everything. He stopped wasting time. He started learning. Marketing, business, anything he could get his hands on. Every failure broke him, but every scar taught him something. Years later, that same daydreamer ran 3 companies. Now people said he's lucky, but they never saw the nights he cried, the mornings he kept going. So you want to know how to become rich? Not by chasing money, but by changing yourself. Fix your habits. Build discipline, and when no one believes in you, keep moving. Because one day they'll Google your name, and you'll finally smile knowing you did it. If this story touched your heart, make sure to subscribe to StoryNest Official for more powerful and emotional stories every day.